OCO, welcome back to Muskogee Life. Today we are in my dining room. The kitchenette is a little too warm today, and so we set up shop in here. We are going to be working on this cat tree, wrapping some new rope around this cat tree stuff. I got this from Harbor Freight. It's a lot cheaper than buying it from the big box store at $15 a thing. So we're going to see if this works, and if it does, we will get some more and do the other cat tree. All right, so let's get to work. First thing is to remove all this old jute, and got my box here to put the trash in. Let's see where we can get going. I got scissors. It's easier to deal with. Oh my gosh, what a mess. So we just cut through it. Unwind it all. That was probably all tangled from my attempt to keep it all contained at one point. It's like the manufacturer only anchored down one end of it and then wrapped it all the way around, and so as the cats tore it up, it just unwound. That's helpful. Get the stuff out of my way so I can see what's going on. We are ready to start winding this up. I'm using this fancy rope from Harbor Freight. It's 3/8 inch, 75 feet long. I would think it's not going to take 75 feet, but you just don't know. It's deceiving on me. Start with the bottom one right here. Work our way up. Where is the nut? There it is. My hot glue gun. Here, we've got 10 of this. Glue can get hot. Yep, get a little messy. Glue stick fell out. Got this cord all strung up. We finally made it back to the cat tree. We have run out of the rope when we were doing this post right here. That took almost 60 feet. And these things are like 75 feet. I have 14 feet left, and Harbor Freight was out of it for 3 weeks. Finally, we got it in. We can finish this project up. So let's get to it. Well, we finally got the tree done. Took a little bit of work today, and it took 2 75-foot rolls of the rope, and we had about 8 feet left. With the 8 feet, I was able to patch this one up right here on the bottom. I don't know if I could get this turned around so you could see it. Right here, we were able to patch that. And then I had the leftover, and I just tied a little extra string on there. So that one's good, and I think this one turned out pretty good overall. It's got a few little extra little glue strings on here I haven't cleaned up yet, and some globs, but overall I think it was a pretty good job. And I know the kitties approve because they've been all over it already. So here we go. One task down and on to another. See you next time. Wado.